you have to pick any side. I'll choose this side. So you have to first get your center pieces, which is this piece, and this piece, the one with the one right next to the corners. So you have to first see which center pieces you have, and then align the tips with the center pieces, like this. So once you have all your center pieces, so since I'm starting with green, I have to look for another green side, which is right here. So I have to get this green side all the way up here. How do I do that? I can either turn it like this and do this, but then this side's not gonna make it. So I'm just gonna take it right under these two and just move these two over here like that. So yeah, I have all my green center pieces. And now I need my edge pieces, which are these pieces. This one, this one, this one. So I already have 2 green edge pieces. Now I have to get the third edge piece, which is right here. So all I have to do is just, so since it's on the right side, I have to move this edge piece to the left, bring down the right, put it back, and then bring it up. Now one whole side's solved. And then I just go on and solve all the other ones. It's okay if you mess up the side that you already solved. So because it's gonna soon end up getting solved anyway. So say I do this. This is still good. So now here's my red piece. And there's a green right behind it. So if I want this green piece to stay here, if I want this green piece to stay here, I'm gonna have to put it under the green side. So it's like this. So since it's on the right side, I move it to the left, bring it down, put it back, and bring it up. Now the green side's messed up, but now we're working on this side. So since on the back of this red edge piece is a yellow piece, you have to take it to the yellow side, which is right here, because its center pieces are all yellow. So I bring it down. So since it's on the right, I put it to the left, bring this down, put it back, and bring it up. And then I look for my last piece. Since this is right here, this piece has to switch. So I can do that by bringing it down, putting it away, and bringing it back up. Now, if I want to put this up here, since it's on the right side, I move it to the left, bring it down, put it back, and put it up. Now this whole side is solved. Now we move on to another side. I already did the red and the green. I have blue and yellow left. I'll do yellow first. Since its centerpiece is gone, it's right over here. So I just turn it back here. Now all of its center pieces are lined up. And I already have 2 edge pieces. Now I have 1 more. It's like this again. I have to switch it around. So since it's on this side, I can either bring it down like this, so I'm gonna move it down from the left side. So since I bring it down from the left side, I have to turn it to the right and then bring it back up. Now it's over here, which is gonna make it a lot easier. So since it's on the right side, I turn it to the left, bring it down, put it back, bring it up. Now I have 3 sides solved: the yellow, the red, and the green. It's okay if it's messed up, but yeah. Okay, so now all I have is the blue side left. Now I see, so here's the blue side. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention. This is not lined up. There's a blue here, but since it's green here, this blue piece has to get over here. So I have to bring it down from any side. I'll bring it down from the left, put it away, bring it back up. One thing you always have to do, whichever side you're solving, you have to make sure that the row connecting to it has to be all the same color. It was just green, it should be all red. It should be like this and this. Okay, so I also have to fix this color here too. So so this is a blue piece, so I just send this on the left side, turn it to the right, bring this down, turn it back, and then bring it up. So now I have this side, so now I have one more piece right here. I bring it to the red side, it's over here, so since it's here, I turn it to the left, bring the right piece down, put it back, and bring it up. And now it looks like this. That means you still have one more piece to solve. So this has to be switched and this has to be switched. Oh my god. So you have to bring this piece down, put it away, and now you have this green piece here. It has to go up here. So you sit on the right side, you put it to the left, bring it down, put it back, and then bring it up. And then your last piece over here, this one should be on the yellow because its back is yellow. So since it's on the left side, I bring it to the right, and bring this piece down, put it back, and bring it up. Now this is all aligned, and this is aligned too. I just have to align this. This piece is back, it's green. So it has to go up here, and the back of it, it's red. So since it's here, I have to, since on the left side, I have to bring it to the right, bring the left piece down, put it back, and then bring it up. And now you have your solved Pyraminx. Bye.